Hey everyone, welcome back to the Life of Amy June. Today I'm doing a weekly plan with me using my digital planner. I love sitting down at the start of the week to map out my schedule, priorities, and to-do list. It helps me stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. So grab your coffee, your planner, digital or paper, and let's plan this week together. First, I take a quick look at my monthly calendar so I know what's coming up. Then I brain dump everything on my mind: appointments, work projects, family events, even personal errands. At this stage, you don't really have to worry about organizing it. However, the way that I do it is I like to break it down by category. So important dates, my marketing agency, my YouTube channel, my planner brand, my beauty brand, and personal life things. Next, I'll go through my important dates. For me, that usually means client meetings, school pickup and drop off, school events for my son, and any deadlines for my businesses or launches. I drop all of those into my weekly calendar so I can visually see where my time is already going to be committed. Now I shift into business mode. I'll go through my agency tasks for Luxe Marketing plus content I need to create for YouTube, Amy June Lashes, and Luxe Manny. I like to break these down into quick tasks versus bigger projects so I can time block them realistically instead of making a never-ending to-do list. After work, I like to add personal things like workouts, family dinners, meal planning, and any cleaning tasks that need to occur through the week. I find that if I don't actually schedule them, they don't happen. This way, I can balance business and home without burning out. Once everything is on my weekly view, I'll start mapping out my days. I like to time block so I can focus on one category at a time instead of multitasking. For example, mornings are usually client work and creative projects. Afternoons are meetings or admin tasks, and evenings are for family and personal time. Lastly, I'll add in any reminders or notes for myself. Sometimes I'll color code different categories so it's easy to see at a glance. Actually, most of the time I do this. It just really helps me so that when I'm looking down, I can see where my week is heavy, and so I can plan accordingly. I also like to leave some white space because, life happens and not everything always goes according to plan. And that's my weekly plan with me using my digital planner. I'm so glad that I was able to make this super easy, quick, and concise for you so you can go about your planning journey and get ahead for the week. Planning ahead definitely helps me feel in control even when life gets busy. I wake up in the morning and I have a plan. There is no time to procrastinate. It is literally down there and I do not need to make a single decision, which really helps. I hope this inspired you to sit down and map out your own week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, do you prefer a digital planner or a paper planner? I'll see you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.